Ever wondered how international calls can be so cheap these days? That's all thanks to something called VOIP GSM call termination. Today I'm breaking down what it is, how it works, and why it matters, especially if you're curious about the tech behind global communications. Alright, let's keep it simple. First, VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Basically, that means using the internet to make voice calls instead of traditional phone lines. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not everyone has a stable internet connection, right? But almost everyone has a mobile phone, so how do you connect a call from the internet to a regular cell phone? That's where GSM call termination comes in. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communications. It's the standard for mobile networks worldwide. Call termination in simple terms is the process of delivering a call to its final destination. In this case, to someone's mobile phone. Imagine you're in the US and want to call someone in another country. Instead of routing the call through expensive traditional networks, your call travels over the internet to a specialized device called a GSM gateway. This gateway acts as a bridge. It takes the voice data from the internet, converts it, and sends it to the local mobile network as a regular call. So, to your friend on the other side, it feels like a normal call, even though it started on the internet. Why does this matter? Because it saves a lot of money on international calls. Businesses use VoIP GSM call termination to reduce costs and expand their reach globally. It also helps telecom operators manage traffic more efficiently. But there's a catch. Since this process can bypass traditional carriers, it sometimes raises legal and regulatory questions. That's why platforms like Go Anti-Fraud exist, to help manage, monitor, and secure these operations. So, next time you make a cheap international call, remember, there's a lot of tech behind the scenes making sure your voice travels across the world. VoIP GSM call termination is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's a game changer for global communication. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.